Hi friends, how are you all? Today we are going to learn blending. Do you know what blending is? Blending means putting the sounds together to form different words. We have done Jolly Phonics Group 1 and Jolly Phonics Group 2. Here they are.
Group 1, at, eep, Group 2, k, t. We will learn vowel and consonant words and some CVC words. CVC words are 3-letter words beginning with a consonant. In the middle there is a vowel, and at the end there is again a consonant. We will learn CVC words from Jolly Phonics Group 1. That is s, at, eep,
The first word is in. In. Now say it quickly. In. The next word is and. The next word is pin. Pin. The next word is sit. Sit. The next word is pan. Pan. The next word is at. The next word is and. The next word is tap. Tap. The next word is pat. Pat. The next word is pit. Pit. The next word is sap. Sap. The next